Okay. In this video, I will continue as I told you on the base on the verb forms. There are two types of verb, regular forms and irregular forms. So in regular forms, what is there? Regular forms have fixed pattern. There is a fixed pattern. We cannot change it. But in irregular forms, there is not any fixed pattern. In regular forms, in the verb based form, we can add with the verb d, ed and ied, but in the irregular forms we cannot be formed by adding fixed characters. We should memorize it. Understood? Okay. So regular forms, regular verbs base form on the ed form. When how we can use ed with the verb? As you can see in this grid, in this chart, I have divided into three categories: first form, second form and third form. So when the verb ends with the consonant, we can add, when we change into past tense, we can add ed, and in past participle also it will be ed. As you can see, jump, jumped, jumped. There will be in the first form only base form. In the first form it is jumped, and in the second and third form it is the same form: jumped, jumped, call, called, called, look, looked, looked. In the second, you can see when we change into, how we can change into with the d form. You can see verb ending with the e, means with the vowel. When the verb ends with e, vowel e, then in the past and in the past participle it again will be same. As you can see, like in past tense it will become liked. What we added there? Only d, because e is already there in the verb. So it will become liked, liked, agree, agreed, agreed, die, died, died. Now we will see the verbs ending with the y. If the verbs end with the y, we will remove y, and at the place of y, what we will replace it? We will replace it with the ied. As you can see, cry will become cried. In past participle also cried. Study, studied, studied. Marry, married, married. Now again see, when we change it to regular verb, there is fixed pattern. So we are adding there d, ed and ed. But now we will talk about the irregular forms. And in regular verb there is not any fixed pattern, and we cannot be formed by adding fixed character. So I will talk to you for the irregular verb in my next video.